Good evening, this is The Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The Jamaica Producers Group has made a proposal to deepen its public-private partnership with the government. The group is seeking government assistance as it plans to accelerate its expansion process.
To ramp up its food and logistics business, but faced with the issue of overcoming bureaucracy. The company now looking to the government for help and calling for the Kingston port area to be declared a free zone.
We have the resources to invest, and we believe that Jamaica is increasingly a good place to build out logistics. Where we need partnership with the government is on the regulatory environment. Jamaica needs to be a place where it's easy to import and to export, because that's the lifeblood of the logistics business. The port needs to act like a free zone, like a place where things can come in and out without too much regulation.
Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries Audley Shaw says the government welcomes the partnership.
It's truly an international business, because it's not just business for Jamaica, but it's actually business for the region. As you can see, for instance, the shipment of motor cars is not just for Jamaica, but here's a transshipment point, an entrepot point for splitting off cargo into other areas in the region. I'm really gratified to see that the company is competing at world standards.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $137.09. The Canadian dollar closed the day at $103.58. The pound sold for $177.13, while the euro ended the day selling for $158.48 on average. The JSE index gained 1,598 points today, while the junior market index gained 21 points. Among the winners were AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Cargo Handlers, Dermont Trading, Everything Fresh, General Accident Insurance and Indus Pharma. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Express Catering, Fosrich, JMB Group 6% and Kingston Properties. That's The Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.